I saw you with him. Yeah, Blaze. Blaze. I didn't mean to look, I swear I tried to turn away, but there you were and everything just froze in place. You were smiling like I never made you cry, like I was never there, like I was never your life. And he was holding you the way I used to do, like all my memories just got replaced by you. I couldn't breathe, I couldn't feel my chest. I think that's when I realized I lost you, for real this time. Why does it still hurt this bad? I try to be strong, but I can't pretend, 'cause seeing you with him, that was the end. You chose him, you really chose him. And I stood there, falling apart, while you were holding him close in the dark, like I never existed in your heart. I'm still here, but I don't feel alive, 'cause the girl that I love is no longer mine. I walked away but my legs felt weak, like every step just buried me deep. I kept replaying the way you laughed. God, I used to be the reason for that. Does he know how you hide your pain? Does he kiss you slow when you feel afraid? Does he know every little detail I knew? Or did you give him a better version of you? I would've fixed everything if you just stayed. Now I'm talking to walls, 'cause you're not there, and I'm screaming your name, but you don't care. You chose him, and it shattered me. I felt my whole world break underneath. Every promise we made just disappeared. Now I'm drowning in everything we were. I still love you. Why do I still love you, even knowing you'll never come back to me? Do you even miss me? Even a little? 'Cause I still check my phone every night, hoping it's you, and I know it's not. I know it's not. I don't sleep, I just lie awake, going through every mistake I made, thinking maybe if I changed back then, you'd still be here, you'd still be mine. I hate that I still care if you're okay. I hate that I still take you back today. I hate that I forgive everything you did, just to feel your arms again. You chose him, and I lost everything. I watched you love someone else instead, while I'm alone with the things you said, and I can't get you out my head. I'm breaking, I'm breaking, and you're just fine. I hope he loves you better than I did, 'cause I can't